Hi everyone, my name is Aparna. I am heading here the innovation team. So this is basically the presentation regarding our vertical. The target versus achievement. In the first quarter we had a target of 6 crores against which we have achieved 85 lakhs. In the second quarter the target is 6 crores, but still there hasn't been any billing on that front. The successes of Q1 is we have printed a text wrap innovation of Eno, a text wrap innovation of Live Pure, and there is a text wrap innovation of Hamdard which we carried. We also wanted to have a fragrance printing of Hamdard, but we couldn't get the fragrance right on that front. The action plan for Q2. The thoughts that we have put in behind how to achieve our targets is to offer customized and targeted solutions to our client, to offer innovation that in print terms what we can do with Dainik Jagran is text wrap innovation, jackets, 3D printing and fragrance printing. Also content integrations, advertorials, introducing and suggesting innovations on product launches, and also utilizing special occasions like Rakhi, Diwali, Janmashtami, etc. So when I say customized or targeted solution, what I mean is, for example, right now monsoon seasons are in the whole of India. So what we suggested was, for example, we carry wherever articles like wherever due to rainfall there has been a lot of problems in the area. So we can suggest like the clients like Mortein or Odomos, where there will be a rise of mosquitoes and dengue, etc. Similarly, latest launch of Intex LCD LED television. So we combine that with our Commonwealth page and suggest some some targeted solution towards that. Also, for example, Nikon is launching their SLR cameras. So we create a certain column for them, and we educate our readers to how to use specific features of a SLR camera which a common man doesn't know. By innovations, I mean we offered like text wrap innovations. Again, this was created for LG. So the Diwali is coming. So what all we can suggest to LG in terms of innovations. This is a French window. Again, it's a watermark, particularly catering towards Diwali. And this was another LCD LED television. It's not very clear. The paper goes, which is a little blur, and when it passes through the LED screen, the clarity becomes very nice. I just shared the content integration with you. So this is basically the product Hajmola Chuskara. It's a semi-liquid candy launched in June. The brand sentiments are fun and frolic. It is targeted towards children. These are the priority markets here, and the competitors in the segments are Alpenliebe and Candyman. It's a totally non-advertiser in print, and if we see the ADX figures, this is the spend that they have done in the kids channel, Cartoon Network, Disney, Nick and Pogo. So what we have suggested them is, this is our Sunday supplement Jhankar, and this is a regular column which comes. So we have customized this column as per their branding, the title, the brand theme. These are the special emoticons which is of Hajmola, and the client has shown very good interest in that. In terms of advertorials, what we have suggested the clients is, Honda is like how to make your dreams come true. So specific advertorials on their taglines. Then like in the monsoon season, how to have. Okay, thanks. And Dettol similar lines. How to have a healthy routine, hygienic during the monsoon seasons. Also Safi, how to have a beautiful skin. These were the specific launches that we did or suggested to the client for the on various launches. This was a launch for LG G3. This is still it has not been not finalized yet. A variant of Perfetti, and this was for the launch of Charisma ZMR. Again, targeting special occasions like a text wrap for Rakhi, an advertorial for Diwali, etc. That's it.